up everyone, and today I am going to try to attempt to get a car. It's going to be a little bit interesting of a journey, but we just got off the train and we're on our way to another train station right now. So we have to go closer into Tokyo because we're about an hour 30 minutes away from Tokyo. I don't really know what the train place is called, but not the train place, but the place where we're going to be getting the car. But we're in Kawagoeshi right now, or at least that's the station that we just got off of. So I'll give you a little bit of a view. And then what we're going to be trying to do is hopefully get the car. And then after we get the car, we're going to go ahead and try to go to IKEA so I can get some furniture for my room. Because furniture would be pretty good right now. So that all being said, I did have a rather interesting conversation with a elderly lady at the station at our town. We talked about the weather and I asked her if it was going to stay cold for a while, and she told me yeah, it's not really going to change for a really long time, so that's a bit unfortunate. But we did end up getting a jacket for Sandy. Cold seems to be okay, but yeah, pretty fun day, pretty exciting. Hopefully everything goes well, and I will check in with you guys a little bit later when we're either closer to the car place or just got the car. Alrighty guys, so I'm done with the train rides for right now. I just got out of that station over there. It's called Shin-Tokurozawa Station. So the reason why right before this it was really fast was because we had like a little walk from one station to the next station, and then we came out of that station. Lots of stations. But right now I'm waiting outside of a 7-Eleven right there, and this is a bus stop. And then it looks like all the way down this road is like kind of like a Shotengai kind of thing, like a giant shopping area, something like that. But basically what I'm trying to do right now is wait for a guy to pick me up and my brother up, and we're going to go with him to go get the car. So I don't necessarily think that car exchanges, buying a car is normally like this, but I think because my brother called them yesterday and there was like a, I don't know if it was like a language barrier or what, but kind of like this kind of convoluted thing happened. So I'm just gonna make the most of it. At least we don't have to walk all the way over there. But some of the reasons why we wanted a car is because we're kind of far out right now. It was like a 4-mile walk for me yesterday, and that was just to get a plunger and some household stuff. So yeah, I think the car's a good idea. And we also have the dogs, so we'll be able to get to and from places a little bit better. And also, I don't really want to be depending on taking the train so much, just because of we only have the one station and we have to take a couple connectors to get onto any like major train. So each little stop is about $4 or $5, and to do like Higatsu Machiyama or Higashi Machiyama is the closest larger town to us, so it's gonna take about $30 just to get to that town. So it's kind of a lot of money, but the guy should be here at any time, so I'll go ahead and check in with you guys a little bit later. Okay guys, so as you can see, we got the car, and I fit in it. I'm about 6 feet, so it's kind of like egg shaped, but it's pretty cool. As long as it gets us from point A to point B, that's all that really matters. So basically the whole process was the guy picked us up. He was very friendly, and it turns out he's actually practicing English right now. He just started learning this year.
200 meters, turn right.
That's our GPS for IKEA right there. So he's learning English, I was learning Japanese, and we're like having kind of like a Spanglish thing going on between everyone in the car. and it was fun. It was pretty fun. And the 7-Eleven was actually pretty close to the car dealership. So we got there. He showed us the car. He asked us if it was okay, and it was. And then we went upstairs. I signed one paper and exchanged monies, and we got the car. It was like the fastest and easiest process ever. So I don't know why car dealerships in the U.S. can't be this simple, but to each their own. So as where it stands right now, we're gonna head to IKEA. I'm going to try to order everything for the bedroom, and then we're gonna figure something out and head home probably. But I will check in with you guys a little bit after. Alright, so we're back home now from IKEA, and it was about an hour 30-minute drive, and this was basically just a full day experience. So just so we're on the same page, because a lot of stuff was going on, we went from home to the car dealership. The car dealership, basically, we got a used car, and there are certain not insurances, but policies that you have to undergo for certain cars when you buy them here. But our car didn't qualify for that. And the policy I'm talking about is that the police have to come to your residence to check to see if your parking spot is big enough for the car itself. But our car is so small that it doesn't qualify for that because it can pretty much fit anywhere. So just because of that, we could skip that, and all I did was sign the papers and hand them some money, and that was about it. And that noise is cool. He's still licking his bowl behind me. His dinner time is about an hour 30 ago, so he came home a little bit later than usual, so he's a tad bit wondering how come his food came so late today. But other than that, IKEA, I was able to get the 2 dressers that I wanted and the desk and a lounge chair. The desk chair they were out of, and the bed frame that I wanted to get ended up being a discontinued set. So when they sold out, and they basically sold out before I got there, which is a little bit unfortunate, but later on I'm going to try to get a different bed frame. But for now, I think the drawers were the most important thing because I don't want my clothes just scattered all over the place, especially with like the dog hair on the floor and everything. So I was able to bring home some small things from IKEA. Those things being said, I got this little 3 set of Tupperwares because we actually don't have any Tupperwares in the house right now. So we're kind of just like putting our pot with the food and the lid just straight into the fridge and then just reheating it for the next meal. We also got these little ceramic half plate, half bowl kind of things. It's a 4 set. They're black or dark gray, one or the other. We got a matching set of the plates, another 4-pack. I think everything comes in 4, and if you want more than 4, you have to obviously either end up with 8 or some multiple of 4. But since there's only 2 of us here, we have 2 each pretty much before we actually have to wash dishes if we're lazy. We normally wash dishes after every meal though. So it does allow us to have some for guests. And I bought these. They're little coasters that the cup like sits in. So it's like a cup for the cup, and then your cup goes into it. And it's cork. So I got 2, just 1 for each of us, just because I'm kind of used to having coasters for my drinks, and just putting like a drink on the table or something without a coaster, it kind of just rubs me the wrong way. Yeah, it's just one of those things. And then I got, oh, I guess I got 4 of the coasters. So hey, 2 extra. But I guess it works out because this is a 4-pack of glasses, and just like your run-of-the-mill average glass. So pretty stoked about that. It was hard finding cups. We've only been here, looking at a calendar right now. What is this? 4 days, 5 days? We've only been here 5 days, and we went to a Don Quixote, which is like a superstore almost. and they were under construction or refurbishing their whole place, so they didn't really have that much stock. We were able to get some necessities, but they didn't have cups. They had thermoses, but they didn't have cups. So I ended up finding two of these metal cups somewhere, and oh, right here. Two of these, and these are actually for mixed drinks. I found them in the drink section. So they're like aluminum. It's really cold here, so anytime you grab this, it's like freezing your hand pretty much, depending on what you're drinking, and burning your hand if you put something hot inside. So I'm super stoked we got glasses. But anyway, that's going to do it for today. There's just a lot going on, and we're still getting used to the move in and of itself right now. So all this jumping around is kind of a lot to take in, and not to mention all the like Spanglish but Japanese English conversations we've been having today. It's just a lot going on. So with that all being said, I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. I will see you guys in the next one, and I have to wait, because I didn't mention this before, I have to wait 2 weeks for the IKEA stuff to be delivered to the house. It is the 9th today, and I have to wait till the 11th. Oh wait, no, it's the 2nd today. I have to wait till the 11th. So that's how that's going to be. But they're a little backstocked on the delivery right now. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one, and see you later.